All right, highlighting text. Welcome to the Highlight Text Challenge. So let me go ahead and minimize this a little bit. We don't need that right now. And let's make that a little bit bigger. So use the span tag to highlight some text within the paragraph. Down here you'll see we have our paragraph. The span tag is not something we have in here yet. We'll need to add it. And let's jump into it, A span tag. So span tag is really useful for styling things within other things, especially within things like paragraph heading, anywhere where you have some text and you want to style some part of text within that text. So let's just go ahead and I'm going to wrap this paragraph tag in a span tag, which means there's going to be some span over there, some span over there. Yeah, my drawing is not great right now during this video, but that's okay. Let's do it in text. Put a span, opening a span tag there, closing a span tag there, and there we go. We've done part of the challenge, which is to wrap some text in a span tag. But if you look over here, nothing's going on, right? What in the world? Why is our paragraph looking exactly the same? Well, the reason is we haven't told the span to look like anything. We haven't given it any style of its own, and that's what we can do up here. So let's go ahead and add some styles here. We want to make this paragraph really, really stand out. We want to make, well, not the paragraph. Here, we want to make this word paragraph. We want to make everything inside of our span really stand out. So let's say color orange. All right, that's an improvement. You'll see that we've got some orange text over there. So thing to keep an eye on is that paragraph there. But since we're styling it, I'm going to remove that line, so as not to distract. All right, let's add some more styles. Let's keep on going. Maybe we want to underline this thing. Text decoration, underline. Ooh, all right, there we go. That paragraph is underlined. Let's keep on going. What else do we want to do here? I want to make this more obvious. Let's make it bigger. Just give it 30 pixels. Whew. All right. This is really coming together. What else can we do here? Let's, if it's not obvious enough yet, let's say font weight bold. Oh, there we go. That is looking much nicer. So we've got a nice bold, large paragraph here. What else can we do? Well, one way, we can also change it in a more subtle way, perhaps. Any of you out there who really love fonts will notice this immediately, but we can change the font family. Let's make it monospace. Oh, there we go. So you can see that this is a very different font than what's around it. Yeah, it's not bad. So now we've got this stands out a lot. So we've taken our span tag, we've styled it, and now whatever's inside that span tag is looking just great. Now, one other thing we can do is just to show that it's fairly flexible, we can put a span here, and let's close out the span. So wherever we put the span, what's inside the span tag is going to get all those styles. So if we were actually highlighting something in the sense of a yellow background, like if you took a physical highlighter to a physical piece of paper, you give it sort of a yellowish background. If we were doing that, we could just wrap anything we want to highlight in a span tag, just like we did here. So that's sort of the why of this exercise. Admittedly, this paragraph doesn't look amazing. Well, I kind of like it. I like that it stands out. I think it's pretty cool. But it probably isn't exactly the styles you want to go for. But this just to give you a taste of what you might use the span tag for. And you'll notice I didn't change its background. I didn't make it yellow because that's your task. Your task, highlighting some text in the paragraph, is what you want to do down here. Give it a yellow background. So just to give you a hint before we jump off, you might want to look into the background property of CSS and see what you can do with that. All right, I'll see you in the next challenge.